Alright, so I just want to do an unboxing of the Dayton Audio AN25F-4. This is the Silk Dome version, 1-inch soft dome. I looked at the tweeter briefly before. Plastic housing feels really cheap. It's okay. I don't particularly like the fit and finish here. There's quite a lot of slop, and the tweeter's kind of loosey-goosey in there. I think maybe a little piece of foam behind it for compression or something. Keep it from moving around a bunch, if you can see that. Mounting dimension for the flush mount here. Looks like 44 millimeters for the flush mount. Tweeter housing itself is 4 centimeters or 40 millimeters. Tweeter feels nice and heavy. Comes with a 1.5 lead on there. We'll get into the inside here. Here we got different mounting methods for these flush mounts. It does come with kind of a compression ring that'll put that through your panel, and this will lock it on from the back, as well as comes with 2 different styles of surface mount. So we've got the angled surface mount here. Looks like 45-degree angle. Mount that whatever orientation you need it to be, as well as a flat surface mount. And for mounting options for those, we've got adhesive things. I would never use these. If you're gonna do that, get something higher quality, or even yeah. And then it comes with these little compression clips you can clip onto a panel or whatever, and then run your screw through here, mount it in place that way. It's nice to have several different mounting options here. As far as the tweeter goes, it's 30-watt power handling according to Dayton Audio. FS of just over 1600 hertz, so probably recommended crossover around 3200, but Rockhat's testing, he recommends crossing as low as 2000. So we'll see how that plays. 2% distortion at 8000 hertz according to some testing, but overall for currently $18 a tweeter, pretty good deal. Anyways, so that's a quick rundown of the Dayton Audio Silk 1-inch 4-car audio. Thanks for checking it out. Catch you later.